Hey, this is Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials and the Legit PC, the Legit Mobile, and welcome to Unity, Intermediate Unity Tutorial Series. What happened to... Oh, okay. Yeah, so welcome back to our intermediate tutorial series. We're working on the Zombie Alamo. So we're going to continue working on that. Oh, there it is. So basically what we were working on in the last video was we were working on adding the setup to have the door open and close. So let's go ahead and see where we are now. Basically where we were is we had a console here. And if we go over here, we trip the door, closing or opening gate. Okay. So now, if I remember correctly, what we had was we had that object, we passed in the prefab. Let's see, close gate prefab, open gate prefab. I passed in the locations, 2 locations here. Now, when we send that to here, basically what we want to do is open or close gate. Now, basically what we're going to have here standard 1 if open, 0 if closed. So whenever we call this from this other one, from this game controller, when I click W, it'll go in there and open and close gate. So basically what we want to do is we want to look down here in the game controller for where we instantiate. And we're going to go here and we're going to say if gate state equals 0, then we do this, gate state equals 1. Gate state equals 1. We want to change gate state equals 0. Okay. So if gate state equals 0, we want to open the gate. Okay, so that what we're going to do here is we're going to say gate open prefab, I'm going to assume. Okay. And we also want to destroy we want to find that component, we need to destroy it basically. So So what I'm thinking that we could do is just have a static method and just say this dot destroy, and the static method of a gate script. I'm thinking, now unless we could search for a component. Okay, so what it says here is that we have a boss equals game object out find my prefab. So what I'm going to do is prison cage. So basically this is what they're saying here, find blank. Okay. So, and then destroy. Object.destroy. Well, this is game object. Object will destroy now or times. If object is a component, it will remove the component from the game object and destroy it. If object is a game object, it will destroy the game object. Okay, so destroy game object. Destroy game object. Okay, so it's basically a method. Here, destroy game object. Okay. So basically, but prison cage is basically the prison cage open, so we're gonna say destroy. But this is 0. So this is actually gonna go down here. We're probably gonna want to put this before we instantiate the next one. I doubt you'll be able to see it, but still gonna be important. Okay. So now what do we call the other one? Prison cage closed. Okay. So we're just gonna do that, and this one's gonna be prison cage closed. Okay. So prison cage closed. Closing gate. Oops. Okay. So let's do that, and let's see what we get over here. Probably gonna have an issue. Nope. Interesting. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the game controller, and if it is interactable, so if we go up here and cages interact, print opening gauge, cage interact equals 0, so then you have to toggle again, so make sure that it's there. And what we're going to do is we're going to do game controller dot but here's the issue, is that this is not a static. And these are probably going to be an issue, so we'll see. Okay, so now watch all the issues come up. Bye. Okay. Yep. Open gate prefab, close gate prefab. Okay, so now we have a problem. So now basically what we need to do is we need to do pretty much what this guy just did, which is down here, this guy here. But I'm going to do resources.load, and my prefab, and then we're going to load that into the variable in the start, public void start. So let's go ahead and move this over here. So let's say here, pretty sure there's a start, right? Yeah. Okay. And we're gonna say, oop, this is the wrong place. Oh, I do have a start. Okay. So here, I'm gonna make these public static. Okay. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna say equals resources dot load load, and it's going to be this is open, which one am I working on? Open gate. So open gate is prison gate, prison cage, sorry. Okay, so basically what it says here is I'm missing a cast. So okay, so I'm just casting it to a transform, basically. Typecasting it down to a transform. Okay. Okay, then we're going to do close gate. Close gate prefab. Prison gate closed. Prison cage closed. Okay. So now we have these two in here. Typecast transform resources.load. So it should load from resources on start only. So it shouldn't be that crazy. Let's see what we get. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Of course, we're going to be watching this to see if this works. So let's go in. Let's see what happens. Okay. The object you want to instantiate is null. Eight. Okay, so I guess it didn't find it or something. If I do static, I should still be able. No, because I gotta load it. I wonder if I could point a public. What if I copy these? So I'm wondering if I copy these and I call this like preload. 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 Okay. Closed gate. Prefab preload. Okay. Probably gonna have issues at the wazoo, but let's see what happens. Nope. Wait. Okay, yeah, so that's okay. Alright, so now main camera. Oh, did I not save? Oh, here it is. Okay, okay. Open gate. This is open. This is closed gate. Prefab. Boom. Okay. Let's try it again. Let's see. Okay, so let's go back over here and let's click on it, see what happens. Uh-oh. Just pause. Ooh. Oh, okay, I do see it. Oh, what did it do? Oh, did it double tap? I think it double tapped. Because here's the question I have. So what is that one? This is character, right? Okay, cage interact. Okay, so player. Okay. So what I'm looking for is cage interact here. So we're going to go over here. Okay, so it's not destroying. Okay, so oops. Okay, cat one's out. Stand by. Okay. So what I'm thinking is that after, what I'm thinking here is that what we do is we make so cage interacted. When you hit W, you say cage interacted equals cage interacted equals 1. So now basically what I want to look is to make sure that when he exits, if so here under exit, if cage equals 1, okay, so let's try that. Oops. Just making sure here and making sure it's compiling. We're at 25 minutes. I want to at least get this done here. Okay. So we're good. We're good. Now it should only let me do it once. Nope, it's still going multiple times. Weird. Because yeah, it says here. Let me see. So it says entering gate, closing gate, opening gate. So where is that saying? Where is it saying that? Closing or opening gate? Opening gate, closing gate. So that's on this other one. It's on the game controller. Closing, opening gate. And it's saying that opening, closing. And then this is obviously all within the same second. So oh, but it's doing it on the first one. I think it's just not being able to delete it. Maybe there's a destroy. Unity destroy all objects. Oh, with tag. Destroy all objects. Unity. Okay. Okay, so that's not going to work. He's basically creating an array list and storing all those in an array list, but what if I do this? This is kind of a cheap way of doing it, but it'll get us where we need to go right now. Wait, what? Since a value of type bool. Oh. So this is like false. Equals false. Okay, so basically this is returning a boolean. Okay. Equals true, so basically delete all of them.
Now I'm thinking this should work for right now. Hopefully not an infinite loop. We'll see. Please don't be an infinite loop. We'll save everything first. Okay. Infinite loop. Oh man. Okay. Let's comment this. Let's comment this out. Okay. What if I just put it twice? Will that kind of get me where I need to go? What happened? What? Bizarre. Let's make sure it sees this so it doesn't get stuck again. So why is it? Oh, I see. I see. So basically what it's doing is this is going to 1 and then it rolls into this one. So what we need to do is we need to return. Return out of the method. So we don't roll into the next one. But now we got an issue, which is that these are no longer in the stamina for whatever reason. Wait, but if it's stamina, then can't my guy's like behind it or something, right? Okay. Okay. But what's the deal with these now? Bit strange. This, we don't want stamina, we want foreground. Well, it doesn't really matter because player can't pass through it anyways. Okay, so... Oh, I don't know if I built it. Did I save it? Compile. Okay, looks good. Alright, this I'm thinking is good. Okay. So... Let's go here. Oh. Still doing it. Okay. So it's not double tapping, but it's not destroying. Okay, so there's prison cage here. So it's generating another one. It's weird. I don't see any other one. No, it's not supposed to be opening gate. It's supposed to be closing gate. Ew. Yeah, one should be closing gate. Find prison gate. Says gate, close prison gate. Okay, so that's right. Why say opening gate? Okay, so basically now it's double tapping. So that is the issue. So it's double tapping still. Oh shoot, 37 minutes. Okay, we gotta solve this really quick. So basically every time I hit W, it's hitting it twice, I believe. Because it does seem like it's deleting it. So, I gotta fix this. Wait. Untrigger exit. Okay. Okay, so yeah, it's not. So on trigger exit 2D. So basically what it needs to be is it needs to be 0. Well, I mean, it really just has got a double tap. What if, I mean, the easiest idea is if we do O or C, or E or R. E's open, R's closed, right? That's what I'm thinking. But we're at 40 minutes, so I'll have to call it there. I might do it off screen. We'll see. Might do it next week, but this I'm pretty much saying that this is probably gonna be done. I mean, we could do that later on, but right now we could have E or R, so you could open or close. So as long as it's interactable, you could hit E or R, open, close. So, yeah. So I think this is working pretty good. So basically, we're gonna test it Next one, after we use E and R, we're going to add hit points to it so that the zombies are hitting up against it and it's got certain hit points and the hit points are starting to go away. And also, once the health goes all the way down, it has a... I'm wondering if I want to do a... I'm thinking, because that's not realistic, a respawn timer, I'm thinking you have to repair it. Let's say. So maybe some sort of repair or something. You have to sit there a certain amount of time and hit the interact button, and then it's got like a health bar that comes back. I think that would be kind of cool. So that's what we will work on next weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Steven from Legit Tech Tutorials, the Legit PC and the Legit Mobile. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take it easy. Peace.